Welcome to this Handmade Fans lash set with Lauren Beauty. So now I am drawing up my lash map and I decided to do a kitten eye lash style. To make your lash fans, I would suggest using either a slim boot, crane or angled tweezer. And for the isolation tweezers, I'd recommend using a crane, curved or straight tweezer. Now we're going to start creating our lash fans. First we're going to grab a bunch of lashes with our tweezers and then we're going to squeeze the tip of the lashes with our thumb and index finger. Then we're going to dip in the glue and then place onto the natural lash. Your tweezers should be around the middle section of the lashes before you grab them off the lash strip. Make sure you hold the lashes securely with the tweezers so they do not fall out. The lashes should easily spread into a beautiful fan once squeezed from the base. If you are struggling with this, try switching to a different pair of tweezers until you find the perfect ones that make the perfect fans. I would recommend getting in as much practice as you can before you start lashing on people. It's a good idea to practice first on the mannequin head. And if you do need some more help after you finish this course, you can book a face-to-face session with me where I can guide you through any lash set. This is available on my website www.laurenbeauty.com.au. For this set, I'm using a 0.03 thickness. Now here's a bird's eye view of how I'd make the fan, dip it in the glue, and then place it directly onto the lash. Sometimes you may need to open the tweezer very slightly to create a wider fan. If you were to do this, just make sure you're holding onto the lashes from the base with your pinching fingers. If not, the fan will fall apart. Continue this process until you achieve a full coverage and beautiful fluffy set. And here we have the gorgeous end result, a Handmade Fans lash set. Thank you for watching this tutorial with Lauren Beauty.